amazing craft artists. My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life as a craft artist. Hope you're having a great and wonderful day. Today's a beautiful video for you and me because I went back to Dollar Tree the other day. I go to Dollar Tree probably too much. But I kind of wish the prices would go back the way they were when they were $1, but now it's $1.25. Some places have $1.75. I don't know what's going on with Dollar Tree, but I went in there just to get some cute containers because I want to make this room a little bit better, a little organized. It is spring and it's spring cleaning time, so I thought to myself, this room's been messy way too long. The arts and crafts are getting out of hand. I'm throwing stuff away left and right. So I said, you know what? It's time to get some cute stuff, cute containers. I mean, I do got some cute ones already, but I saw these and almost like passed out, like literally had a heart attack. They're so cute. I didn't know Dollar Tree would have these kind of stuff, and it's really cute and lightweight. But firstly, I'm going to show you this stamp right here I bought at Dollar Tree. I wasn't going there to get any stamps, but I saw this stamp right here, which I thought was really cute. Let's move this over so I can show you. And this looks so cute. They're little leaves and little trees and branches, and that's what it's called, Clear Stamp. And I love it. That's the company. And these look so cute, right? Look at this. I saw these for $1.25. I couldn't beat this up. And it's a pretty good stamp. Look how big that stamp is right there. That's as big as my hand. That looks so cute. They're like branches and trees and good for fall, spring, summer, or any time of the year, actually. And I cannot wait to utilize these. So much fun. I love buying stamps there at Dollar Tree. I'm glad they started doing that. I'm glad that's the feature they got. So what I'm going to show you in this video is this. I just bought these 2 containers right here. I got actually 4 of these. The color right here is pretty peachy pink, but there's a green one, greenish blue color. I got that from my mom, so I gave it to her already. But this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, you guys. This is the container. Look at this. It's like, it got a handle, and it looks wonderful. Let's give it a good 360 look around. It looks wonderful, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, it's really lightweight and it's easy to open. So let's open it up and show you. It's really easy to open, like this and like that, and the lid comes off perfectly. And I'm putting some arts and craft stuff in this. I love it. I've got some more containers similar to this, but this looks wonderful. I should have got more than this. I only got 4 and they're 2 different colors. I should have got 6 of these for myself and 6 for my mom. But if I go back anymore and I'll see some more, I just love this. Doesn't this look wonderful, you guys? Such a way to put your day. What can we put in here to show you, to demonstrate some crafting stuff? Well, I'll be right back, you guys, to show you what I'm talking about. I've got some pencils and some markers, and it looks neat. Does it in there? It doesn't have to be like this. You can put anything you want. You can put stamps or crayons or markers. And I got some pencil color pencils. I just bought this stuff, and it looks wonderful. I'm not gonna keep this in here. I'm just gonna show you how to demonstrate what you can put in there, which is just great. It's see-through. You know what you're looking at. I don't mind see-through stuff, you guys. I don't mind doing this. So I thank you guys for watching this video. Go to your Dollar Tree, run as fast as you can, and get these cute containers. If you need cute containers, I don't know if you don't need them, don't buy them. If you don't buy things you don't need, but I needed these, so I'm gonna get rid of some other ones I had, and these look great, and I love how it looks and how pretty it is, and I can't wait to just utilize this in my craft room. So hope you guys having a great, wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys in another I am Dee Dee's Crafts, my life as a craft artist video. Thank you so much, and keep crafting no matter what. What?